We are participating in Pharma Asia on behalf of Dr. Pharm. Basically, Dr. Pharm is offering in pharmaceutical industry all OSD products. OSD means all tablet and capsule sections, granulation to cartoner, production equipment, still packing equipment. Pharma Asia really important and important event because it's not possible to collect all the Pakistan pharmaceutical industries people, professionals from CEO till operator level. They can join together in such an event because there are hardly one or two events in a year. But the Pharma Asia is much organized and we found our all customers and everybody in this exhibition. So we have very good business meetings and everything over there. We have very long-term contacts with Pharma Asia organizer, and we definitely prefer to participate in the Pharma Asia because the organization and the facilities they're providing is really good, and we are really thankful for Pharma Asia.